Hello, this is Eva. Today I will introduce the automatic thermal laminating machine to you. Machine includes three parts. The first part is feeding unit. The second part is laminating host. The third part is chain knife slitting and collecting unit. This is the paper feeding unit. The height of the paper pile is 1.3 meter. Introduce the feeder to you. The max speed of the feeder is 12,000 times per hour. The paper thickness range is 80 to 500 grams. Here is the paper delivery plate. This is the paper press holder. The max size of the paper is 1080 by 1100 millimeter. The mean size of the paper is 350 by 290 millimeter. Here is the laminating host. We adopt the electric magnetic heating system. The diameter of the heating roller is 400 millimeter. This is a screen display. We can read the machine running state from this screen. We can choose different languages. Now we see the chain knife unit. Sand belt wheel, round knife, chain knife. If the film is a PET film, we must choose the chain knife function. Chain knife controlled by the servo motor. After chain knife, this device is bounce skip. Help the film separate immediately. This is a collector unit. This machine with automatic change plate functions. The paper pile height is 1.3 meter. This device can save labor. Thanks for your watching and pay attention to our companies. If you have interested in our machine, please send message to us. We will send the running video to you in time.